Today we are going to study about different kinds of charts in Excel and the components of chart. So different types of chart we will study. They are bar chart, column chart, line chart. Then we have area chart, XY chart, pie chart, donut chart, radar chart, stock chart, bubble chart and surface chart. So one by one we will study all the kinds of chart, but first we will study the components of chart. To see the components of chart, first we'll have to take a data. Like here in this table we have taken name, marks of English, marks of Hindi and the total marks. And then we are going to insert a chart. Here insert and then click on a chart. Suppose we are taking this column chart. Now here we will study all the different components of chart. First one is chart area. Here this outer boundary, this is called as the chart area. This will contain the chart and the all the other objects of chart. So other object of the chart over here like chart title, then we have this legends. So these are the other components. This part is known as the chart area. Then we have category axis. This x-axis or the horizontal line, this is called as the category axis. Then we have value axis. This horizontal this vertical line, this is called as the value axis or the y-axis. Then we have the data series. This in this column chart, this line, these columns, these are called as the data series. Here you can see that this blue line, this is for English marks, then orange line for Hindi marks, and this gray bar for total marks. Then next we have category name. Category name, here this x-axis, this contains names and this y-axis contain the data values. So these are the category names. So this is having the the names are there and over here marks are there. Then we have plot area. This part you can see, this is called as the plot area. This entire area which contains the area which contains the chart, this is called as the plot area. So difference between plot area and chart area is that chart area will contain the chart as well as other objects of the chart, but plot area will contain only the chart. Then we have legend. Over here this small square which are colored, they are the legend, and this will indicate that which part of chart is used to represent what. Like this blue part, blue is indicating that this is for English marks, orange for Hindi marks, and this gray for total marks. So if these are not written, so it will not be able to, we will not be able to make out that what this represents. Then we have chart title. Here this part is known as the chart title, and this can be modified. We can put any other chart title over here, but that modification we will do later on. Then grid lines. This lines, these are called as the grid lines. Now these are helpful for us and they will help us to plot the chart. So these are the different types of chart which we will study. Now we are going to study these are the components of chart. Now we are going to study different types of chart. So this is your column chart. Now we are going to insert the bar chart. So insert and over here bar chart. Now I have at a time I have made two types of charts so that you can understand very easily that what is the difference between a column chart and this is your bar chart. So seeing this only you can make out that here in column chart names are given in the x-axis, but here name is given in the y-axis. Then here marks is represented in the y-axis, here marks is represented in the x-axis. This legend remains the same. So this in column chart the data series will be in vertical lines and here data series will be in horizontal line. This sleeping lines we call them as horizontal lines. So here this is these are horizontal line and here these are vertical lines. The data series are in vertical lines. So this is the major difference between this column chart and bar chart. By default Excel will make column chart, means if you are inserting any chart in Excel, but if you don't mention that which kind of chart you want to draw, then Excel will automatically or by default it will insert column chart. Next we are going to study about line chart. So to insert that, first I am going to delete this both. Data is selected, so from here I am going to insert line chart. So this is your line chart. Now let's understand this, what is line chart. Here also in the x-axis names are given, and here in the y-axis data is there. This blue line is used to represent English marks, orange line is used to represent Hindi marks, and this total is represented by the gray lines. Now let's understand this chart. Here Anju got 65, so here you can see this line is starting from 65. Then Manju got 76, so there is a rise in the marks, so this is going up. Then Ranjana got 78, so there is very slight difference between 76 and 78, so this line is going parallel, like there is very slight increase between the marks of Manju and Ranjana. Then there is vast difference between marks of Ranjana and Kirti, so you can see the line is coming down. And again from difference between marks of Kirti and Hemant is too much high, so this line is again going up. Same way this Hindi marks will be represented. Here you can see marks of Anju is 67. So here you will see that why this is from above 100, because the starting point is 50. So from 50 to 150 this makes 100, so this will be used to represent marks of Hindi. So here 50 plus 67, this will be around 117. So here from here this line is starting. Then this is coming down as Manju got less, so 45, this is coming down. Again Ranjana, it's going up because she got 66. Then Kirti, again there is very slight difference, so here Kirti's this line is coming down. Then Hemant's mark is very much high as compared to Kirti's mark and Hemant's mark, so this is going up. So in this way the total marks is also represented, that you can check out that how these are made, how these lines are made. So this is your line chart. Then next which we are going to study is area chart. So to understand that, I'm going to delete this and let's insert this area chart. First we'll have to select the data, otherwise your chart will not be made. Now this, here you can see this is a area chart. Now what is this? This is also same as line chart, but this is not only single line, but this is covering an area, है ना? So let's understand this. Here the name is there, here marks is there. Again blue line is for English marks, Hindi orange, and then total gray. Now Anju got 65, so here Anju, so here this is used to represent 65. Then Manju got 76, so there is a slight increase, this is going up. Then Ranjana got 78, very less difference between 76 and 78, so here this is parallel. Then Ranjana and Kirti, the marks is 56, there is a big difference is there, so again the point line is coming down. Then Hemant, again this is going up because it got 77, so this is going up. In the same way this is the Hindi marks is also represented, that you can make out from here. So 67, so here 67, then 45, this is coming down. Again 66, so this is going up. Then Kirti 65, there is very slight difference, so this is parallel line. And then 87, there is vast difference between 65 and 87, so this line is going up. So in this way this is how area chart is made. So there are some more types of chart which we have to study in Excel, that we will study in next class.